Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best steering wheel covers on Amazon. If you are a frequent driver, then you know how uncomfortable latching onto steering wheels can be. Your palms get sweaty, the steering wheel gets slippery, and you may even get blisters. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. SEG Direct Microfiber Steering Wheel Cover. This is a luxurious steering wheel cover designed to elevate the look of your car's interior. It's made of microfiber that is soft to the touch and doesn't slip. The interior is made of sturdy rubber to keep the cover stable, especially when turning the wheel. Another unique feature is that the cover is odorless. The materials making up this product are also eco-friendly. The synthetic leather is designed with great absorption, so your palms won't get slippery if you sweat. The material has commendable breathability, and it's resistant to heat, cold, and wear. It also offers a firm and comfortable grip. The cover comes in 8 colors, and its lightweight design makes it suitable for long drives. What we like about it: stays in place. Several colors are available. Breathable. What we don't like about it: challenging to install. Wears faster than leather. Susceptible to heat. Number 2. Valicomfy Steering Wheel Cover. I included Valicomfy for those interested in a high-quality genuine leather cover. It's a heavy-duty cover. It is heat and cold resistant and remains cool despite changes in weather. The cover is soft and has a skid-proof lining that offers a reliable grip. The interior is made of natural rubber that is eco-friendly. This Valicomfy cover will give you an odor-free experience, and its stylish design makes it a great accessory that complements any vehicle's interior. The cover material is stitched to prevent wear and tear, and it has soft padding to increase comfort when driving. The manufacturer could improve on the packaging. The cover comes folded, and the creases don't go away. What we like about it: high-quality materials. Heat and cold resistant. Good grip. Odor-free. Comfortable, padded construction. What we don't like about it: creases from packaging may not go away. Uncomfortable for small hands. Number 3. Valicomfy Microfiber Leather Steering Wheel Cover Universal 15-inch. The Valicomfy Microfiber Leather Steering Wheel Cover is a universal fit for most 15-inch steering wheels. It's made of high-quality microfiber leather, which provides a soft and comfortable grip. The material is also breathable, which helps to prevent your hands from getting sweaty during long drives. One of the standout features of this steering wheel cover is its anti-slip design. The cover is designed with a non-slip inner ring that helps to keep the cover securely in place on your steering wheel. This is especially important during sudden stops or turns, as a loose cover can be a distraction or even a safety hazard. Another benefit of the Valicomfy Microfiber Leather Steering Wheel Cover is its durability. What we like about it: comfortable grip. Durable material, easy to install. Stylish design. What we don't like about it: not suitable for larger steering wheels. May not fit all car models. Universal fit may not be easy to clean. Number 4. Car Leather Steering Wheel Cover Elif 15-inch. The car leather steering wheel cover from Elif is a universal fit for most 15-inch steering wheels. It's made of high-quality microfiber leather, which provides a soft and comfortable grip. The material is also breathable, which helps to prevent your hands from getting sweaty during long drives. One of the standout features of this steering wheel cover is its anti-slip design. The cover is designed with a non-slip inner ring that helps to keep the cover securely in place on your steering wheel. This is especially important during sudden stops or turns, as a loose cover can be a distraction or even a safety hazard. What we like about it: soft and comfortable grip. Breathable material. Anti-slip design. Durable and long-lasting. Easy to install. Versatile color options. What we don't like about it: may not fit all steering wheel sizes. Some customers have reported a chemical smell upon opening the package. Number 5. Rooish Microfiber Leather Steering Wheel Cover. This inexpensive Rooish steering wheel cover offers an embossed finish to give the driver a firm grip. The cover is made of a premium microfiber material that's soft and designed to massage the palms of the driver. Its anti-slip matte finish ensures that you can drive for long hours without your hands slipping. The cover is cold and wear resistant. What we like about it: inexpensive, firm grip, wear resistant, padding provides comfort. What we don't like about it: embossing can feel uncomfortable, not heat resistant, leather smell persists. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.